of this video is to show a quick demonstration on backing up an Azure NetApp Files volume to an object store. As an example, for this model, I'm running an Azure virtual machine with Commvault as my OEM backup product, and mounting that to a media server, which is there's a master and a media server in the Commvault structure. The media server is what actually does the transition of the data. And so this is what I'm actually logged into. I have the media server and the master running on the same Windows. This is a Windows 2016 server. And you'll see here that in this context, this is the volume that I'm backing up. So I've actually defined a sub-client off of my Windows host to say this is the device that I want backed up. And what I'm doing is I'm sending it off to the to Azure Blob, which is my library, which you can see over here on the left side. It has a library listing, so you can dump just a bunch of different types of locations. You can do it to a disk, you can do it to an object store, another mount point, another NFS mount point if you wanted to, or an SMB mount point. I chose to go directly to Azure Blob as my destination, and let you know what it looks like on the other side. This is my mount right here. This O'Rourke SMB01 is my volume. You'll notice the mount path is NAS 8E0F deltateam.local, and that's the domain I'm in, and then the volume name is O'Rourke SMB01. If I look at the blob storage, look at my storage count here, and blob storage. This is the container that I'm actually using, O'Rourke Commvault 01. So that's what I set up as my library to be my destination for the backup. And again, the volume was O'Rourke SMB01. So let me flip back over to the screen here. And that's what this is designated at. So let me cancel out. And all we really need to do at this point in time, now that I've set up my backup location, source, and my destination, with Commvault, all you have to do is you just basically, once you find your sub-client, you say backup, and it'll ask you if you have a schedule. You can set up on a certain schedule, obviously and then the kind of backup you want to do. I'm going to do an incremental. I've run several backups here already, so I'm just going to go ahead and run another backup, and just to show you how this works. And it's going to run it now, and it'll run in real time. And if I click on the job controller, I should be able to see the job backing up. So, okay, job ID number 6. This is the backup that's running right now. See, I've run a couple different ones already. This is an incremental. I think I copied some files over from the program files x86 into the SMB share just to put some data out there to actually kind of copy over. So. And making progress. And that's it. So that was a job completed. Again, if I looked at, if you want to see the volume that I actually backed up, let's see here. I go to my, this is the drive right here. Actually, I actually have it mounted on here. So this is the files that I was backing up. This is my all the information out here. But just to see that, again, this is mounted. The media server does mount it separately. This is not the path he's actually using. It'll mount it itself to the actual background service and do the copy. So hopefully that helps. And thank you very much.